Hello guys, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to make my green guacamole salsa, or how we say it in Spanish, Salsa Verde De Guacamole. So stay tuned.
Hello guys, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue here. Look at that. Look at these pork bends, guys.
Alright guys, welcome back. So as I mentioned in the introduction, I'm going to show you how to make my Salsa Verde De Guacamole, or guacamole green salsa. And it's really simple ingredients. You guys are not going to believe how easy this is. So get your blender or food processor, whatever it is that you have. Okay, I've got some cilantro here. Let me count them for you. About 10 stems of cilantro. Just throw in your blender. Really simple. And I've got about half of an onion that I'm just going to cut in half. I'm going to quarter it actually, and throw it inside my blender. So after that, I'm using 4 jalapenos, and I'm going to use these whole, but I am going to cut them in half and then just dice them up a little bit. What happens when you don't do this, you'll get big chunks of jalapeno in your salsa. Oh man, look at this knife, guys. I just got this knife from Amazon. It's the Cut brand. You know, I've seen a lot of advertisements on Instagram, and it just looks like a really nice knife. So I ordered me one, and this stuff, I mean, this knife is extremely sharp, as you guys can see, and I like it. It's nice and lightweight. It's got a nice handle on it. And by the way, when I buy, this is a habanero pepper. I like my salsa a little bit spicy, so I'm just going to put 1 pepper in there. Take the stem off. And these are spicy, okay? And I'm doing this because I like my guacamole salsa nice and spicy. At this point, I've got 5 key limes that I'm going to squeeze into my blender as well. Just like this. Guys, this salsa is good for a lot of things. You guys may have seen my fajita video. This salsa really makes those tacos, and really any tacos that you guys may be making, this salsa is good on it. If you make enchiladas, flautas, you can use this guacamole salsa and put it on top of your food, or again, just use it in tacos. I think everybody eats tacos. Okay, 1 more. And again, all of these ingredients they're not cooked or boiled or roasted. But again, this is how we make this salsa verde de guacamole. Next thing is I've got 1 tablespoon of ground pepper and 1 tablespoon of oregano. Just put those in the blender as well. Everything goes in the blender. And I lost my measuring spoon, so I'm just going to add about maybe 1 tablespoon of salt into the mix. And here's the MVP right here, this avocado. Man, look at this knife. It just does quick work with this. And take the pits off, guys. Just hit it like that and twist it, and it comes right off. Man, this knife is so sharp it almost went through the entire bone. Let me grab a spoon. Alright, forgot to grab my spoon. So just scoop your avocado out Put it in the blender like this. And this is about a medium-sized avocado, and that's what you want. Alright, then I've got about a cup of water. Now as far as the water, I'm just going to add probably half a cup, maybe less. About half a cup of water. The reason why is because I can always add, it's hard to take out once you've already added the water, and then just put it on a medium in your blender. Alright, I can tell you already that I need a little bit more water. Ooh, that's spicy. Let's check our consistency. You want it nice and creamy. A little bit more water. So 1 full cup of water. Now I'm going to turn it to pie. Okay, and our salsa is ready. Ooh, it smells spicy. I think the spiciness is coming from the habanero. So I've got some tostadas here that I'm going to try this with. And just move some things aside here. Just pour it out into a bowl. Look at that. Now if you're going to have this with a few friends for dinner, the limes that we put in there is going to help keep the color of the guacamole salsa. If you're going to store it and eat it the next day, put about 2 tablespoons of just plain white vinegar into your salsa. So my favorite part of cooking is a taste test. So let's taste this, guys. Look at how nice and creamy this is. Really simple. Oh, it's spicy, and a lot of it is because of the habanero, but it also needs a little bit more salt. And you can just adjust it to your liking, guys. Oops. In this case, it just needed a little bit more salt for my taste. Now let's try it. That is money. Guys, give this a shot. Really simple ingredients. You saw me make it in, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. I will also make my red salsa, which is a chile de árbol salsa. But I won't be eating a whole lot of that because that is extremely hot. I'll try it. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks again for watching, guys. I had 2 subscribers request that I make this salsa. This is for you guys. Thanks again for watching, guys. Joe with Smokin Joe Spit Barbecue. See you.